This week's backyard drawing is the big sagebrush, which are very plentiful around the Columbia Valley, and very difficult to think about how to draw this because the trunk area just has a lot of big branches coming off, and then a lot of smaller branches, and then leading to the greenish sage-colored leaves at the end. So I just snipped off just one of the ends of one of the branches. These plants do bloom in the fall, so they're still a little bit green. And then the part to the right, you can see that those were once yellow flowers, very small yellow flowers. So to set up for my drawing of this branch, I laid it out in pencil first, and then I thought I would take some colored pencil and have a little fun trying to match the color. I don't think I quite got it, but it was fun trying to layer all the colors. And now what you're seeing is I'm coloring in the blooming part of the flowers to the right. So one of the branches has the blooming part, and then that middle branch there is just leaves. And then I decided to do kind of an enlargement of one of the three-pronged leaves, which sets this sagebrush against other types of sagebrush. And if you go to the Wenatchee Naturalist site, you can find out more about all the different kind of sagebrushes that we have around our valley. Okay, to begin your project, you might want to go outside and stand in front of the plant that you want to draw. In this case, I stood in front of this sagebrush, and on the right-hand side of my sketchbook, you can see I attempted a very quick sketch to kind of get the layout of the plant and its environment, what kind of soil is it growing in, etc., etc. Then I did a little bit of research and looked up a little information on this particular bush so that I knew kind of what I was drawing. And it was fascinating and led me down many rabbit trails, and I learned a lot in a small amount of time. So good luck with your scientific drawing, and I'd love to see it. So go ahead and share it to the site. That would be great. See you next time.